Hey guys, Diana here, founder and creator of strategicfinances.net, helping women entrepreneurs create more cash flow and implement better financial strategies. So, in today's video, I'm going to talk about the 3 reasons why I use this resource, okay? This valuable resource. So, I started using this resource I discovered this resource through education back in 2015. Didn't quite understand it. Okay, didn't quite understand it, to be honest. And so in 2018, I decided to use the resource, right? Because I wanted to do better with my finances. So I had, you know, I come from the make money online industry. That's how I'm here. That's how I came online. And it's all about make money, which is fine. But there are people who do reach success, like a lot of success, and success is what you want it to be. You don't. Everybody doesn't have to be a six-figure earner to be successful. It's like, what do you need to be able to live your life? How much money do you want to be able to bring in to do the things that you want to do in your life? But anyways, in particular, there's this one lady who she's a six-figure earner. She actually came out in 2020 and shared with her audience that she actually had been struggling financially, right? It blew my mind. It's like, you're making all this money, but now she said she had to move back in with her mom, and she had to get her finances together. Um, so that just goes to tell you that it's everybody, whether you're not making a lot of money or whether you're making a lot of money, you need to understand how to manage your money, how to keep more of your money, and how to grow your money so that you can achieve some financial independence, and not have that hindering you. So for me, I wanted to get my personal finances where I wanted it to be. I wasn't where I wanted to be. So that is that leads into the number one reason why why I use this resource is for the information. So 2015, I started learning, didn't quite understand, hadn't heard this information before. I just didn't, I was skeptical, right? And then I kept learning. And then in 2018, reattached myself to the resource, and I've been a part of it ever since 2018. And I don't plan on going anywhere. Everybody needs, like I said, to learn how to manage your money, learn how to keep more of your money, and learn how to grow your money. So, information, you gotta have the information, otherwise, you're not gonna know what to do. And so, the second reason that I use this resource is because of the community that comes with it. Um, I know that before I attached myself to this resource, I was on a financial freedom journey, and I was attaching myself to different communities based on education, just learning, from different people about what they were doing to achieve financial freedom. And so we need to we need to constantly be learning, okay? Constantly be learning, and then and be with people who are doing the same thing you're doing, because it's not going to be just a straight shoot to success. It's going to be like, you know, um, challenging, difficult, especially when you're learning something new and trying to implement and stay the course. So you need support, okay? That's the second reason that it was the community, and support was the second reason that I use this resource. Now, the third reason I use this resource is because I found myself, sharing information with other people, my sister, for example, and I just wanted to, um, you know, share what was working for me, what I was doing, and give advice to other people who were asking for advice. It's like, oh, you could use this, you could do this. And I found myself, for example, my sister telling her about, different things that I had found. Like I still follow Dave Ramsey, and I had found, the Every Dollar app, for example. And so I would tell my sister about that, and just little things that I was learning and implementing here and there. But with the resource that I've been using since 2018, everything is just there for you. Everything is that you need is in one spot. So the third reason I use this resource is because it's easy to share with others. It's like, here, go here. This is all you need to know, or whatever you're particularly looking for. But anyhow, so I'm passionate about helping women entrepreneurs create more cash flow and implement better financial strategies. So subscribe to this channel if that interests you. So to recap, the 3 reasons why I use this resource, you can get more information below this video, is number 1, the information, okay, on how to grow your money, manage your money, keep more of your money, grow your money. Number 2, for the community, you need support on this journey. It's not going to happen overnight. And number 3, I love how easy it is to share with other people. Okay, so if you want to learn how to manage your money, grow your money, build wealth, really, then subscribe to this channel. Okay, hit the notification button, and I'll be just sharing information that's helping me, and I know that it can help you. See you in the next video. Bye.